we got a long drive today. Hey folks, it's Adam with Outdoor Pet Solutions. Got you in the van today because I've got a long drive ahead of me. I've actually got a service call appointment that's located about a little over 2 hours from where I'm located. And I apologize for the rough ride. The Tennessee roads are absolutely horrible. We're just coming out of winter, so all the roads are littered with potholes. It's nice. And you might be wondering why I'm driving so far out. Well, this customer reached out to me a couple of years back asking me to take over their underground dog fence situation because the current provider was just really dropping the ball. She was kind of fed up with their service and she needs me to come out and make some repairs to her dog fence because she had some work done in the yard recently and they damaged the line. But today's video isn't about this service call. It's actually about addressing a common question that I'll get when it comes to installing underground pet containment systems. As you know, I offer the OPS 1000 dog fencing kit on my website, and oftentimes after folks order that system, they'll call me with a few questions, one of which is, how deep should I install the underground wire? And the truth is, there is absolutely no depth requirement. The whole point of installing the wire underground is to basically just keep it out of the way so it's not a trip hazard and to give it that extra layer of protection so it's not exposed to the daily maintenance such as lawn mowing and things like that. But the truth of the matter is, if you're installing a quality wire that's of thick gauge and has a great thick protective jacket on the copper, then you can literally install it above ground. I put out a video a while back showing you a couple of techniques that I like to use to install the underground wire by hand using just common tools. And one of those techniques is literally stapling the wire on the surface of the ground after you've taken such as a weed eater or a lawn edger and you skim the surface of the yard. Stapling the wire to the surface and letting Mother Nature grow up around it is a great way to install the wire quickly and efficiently without having to bury it at all. But again, you want to be installing something that's made to be exposed to the elements, including the sunlight. A lot of this lower gauge wire that's sold in these DIY kits is not really built to withstand Mother Nature for very long. Another question I get about the depth is there a depth that's too deep to install the wire? So I'll have customers reach out saying that they're going to use a commercial ditch witch to install the wire in the ground. And I'd like to stress that you don't need to overthink this whole process of installing the wire. It doesn't require a big gaping trench to bury this little wire in the ground. Just a few inches in the ground is sufficient. But if you happen to have some commercial equipment that's going to make the digging easier on you that happens to put the wire a foot or so in the ground, it's not going to matter. Because on the OPS 1000 transmitter, there's a field width adjustment. This field width adjustment will boost the signal that's being projected off the wire. So the deeper you go with the wire, the more you'll have to boost that signal in order for it to reach your dog up out of the ground to keep them in the yard. So the bottom line is, if you're installing quality wire that's made to withstand the elements, then there really is no depth requirement at all. You don't even have to bury it all together if you don't choose to. If you're still researching dog containment systems and trying to decide which system to go with, here's a video that I put together that shows a side-by-side comparison of the most common DIY kits that you can purchase, comparing it to the OPS 1000 dog fencing system. In that video, I break down each component, breaking them down side by side and showing the difference between a commercial grade system and a consumer grade system. The OPS 1000 includes all the same components that I use in my professional installations. Not only does the kit include all those commercial grade components, but it also includes my detailed step-by-step installation guide. This will show you exactly how I install the dog fencing systems like a professional, so that it will last for years and years to come. It also includes my complete gentle approach training guide. Training is the most important aspect of this type of dog fencing solution, and following a professional's guide to properly train your dog will ensure your dog stays happy and comfortable in the yard, all the while learning to respect their new boundaries. I'll leave a link down in the description to the OPS 1000 dog fencing kits, and the pricing you see on the website does include ground shipping via UPS direct to you. And as always, thanks for watching. Goodbye.